scaling up to cloud security posture management with Azure through job coaching. This coaching plan is designed to equip IT professionals with the expertise needed to excel in cloud security posture management, CSPM, using Microsoft Azure. The program integrates theoretical knowledge, hands-on labs, and career development elements to ready individuals for seamless transitions into CSPM roles. Week 1, Introduction to Cloud Security and Azure Core Services. Theory, delve into cloud security principles, common threats, and the shared responsibility model. Explore Azure Core Services, compute, storage, networking, and their security implications. Lab, set up a free tier Azure account, navigate the Azure portal, and configure basic security settings for resources. Demo, provide a guided tour of the Azure portal, highlighting key security features and settings. Week 2, deep dive into Azure Security Center. Theory, grasp the role of Azure Security Center as the central hub for CSPM. Explore its features for security posture management, threat detection, and compliance monitoring. Lab, configure Azure Security Center, enable security policies, and analyze security recommendations. Demo, showcase how Azure Security Center offers a unified view of security posture across Azure subscriptions. Week 3, Azure Policy, enforcing security at scale. Theory, learn about Azure Policy's role in proactive security enforcement across Azure resources. Explore policy definition, compliance standards, and automatic configuration fixes. Lab, implement Azure policies to enforce security best practices. Demo, demonstrate Azure Policy's ability to automatically remediate security misconfigurations. Week 4, Azure Sentinel, threat detection and response. Theory, comprehend Azure Sentinel's role in threat detection and response. Explore its capabilities for collecting security logs, threat intelligence integration, and incident response workflows. Lab, configure Azure Sentinel to ingest logs and create custom security alerts. Demo, simulate a security incident and showcase Azure Sentinel's investigative and response capabilities. Week 5, securing compute workloads in Azure. Theory, explore securing virtual machines, containers, and serverless functions in Azure. Lab, implement security measures for Azure VMs and configure network security groups. Demo, present a secured Azure VM configuration resilient to common attacks. Week 6, protecting data in Azure. Theory, understand data security principles in Azure, including encryption, secrets management, and data loss prevention. Lab, implement data encryption and configure Azure Key Vault. Demo, showcase layered data protection in Azure services. Week 7, managing identity and access in Azure. Theory, dive into Azure Active Directory for identity and access management. Lab, configure conditional access policies and role-based access control. Demo, demonstrate secure access control with Azure AD. Week 8, compliance and governance in Azure. Theory, explore compliance requirements and tools in Azure. Lab, assess compliance using Azure Security Benchmark and Compliance Manager. Demo, present a compliance report generated by Azure Security Center. Throughout the 90-day program, participants will engage in practical learning experiences, receive tailored feedback, and access relevant Azure resources to enhance their CSPM skills effectively. The program aims to foster a structured approach to developing essential CSPM competencies, positioning individuals for successful careers in this dynamic field. Eligibility: Azure Infra Building or Operations experience is must.